reasons to update your exterior door. Whether it's old, damaged, or simply out of style, updating it can transform the look of your home. If you're handy with reasonable projects around the home, the best part is you can do it yourself. In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of installing your exterior door. With the right planning and preparation, you can make light work of this project and ensure the perfect fit.
When your door is delivered, it will be on a pallet, so make sure you have some space ready. Remove all the packaging and fasteners to inspect for cosmetic or freight damage. This is also the best time to make sure you have the right door. Verify you receive the correct product, style, size, color, handing, and swing as soon as possible. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the door's warranty information and the installation instructions provided with your door, and gather the tools listed. You can also find the tools listed in this video's description. Keep in mind some steps will require 2 people, and the installation may take 4 to 8 hours. Remove the old door unit. Unscrew the hinges from the jamb to detach and remove the old door. Use a pry bar to remove the jamb. An oscillating tool could be helpful depending on your existing door unit. Make sure the structure frame is clear of debris and that the framing is in good condition. It's time to inspect your rough opening. Measure the height of the rough opening on both sides. Then measure the width of the rough opening at the top, center, and bottom. Verify the rough opening is level and plumb, or perfectly horizontal and vertical. Also check the threshold is level and clear of debris.
An important thing to note is that exterior doors require a sill pan to protect against water infiltration.
Follow your sill pan's installation instructions carefully for how to fit the sill pan to your specific door's configuration and size. Now you are ready to place the door in the rough opening. Place the bottom of the door in the center opening, then tilt the top of the door into the opening. Place shims behind each hinge. Using a 4-foot level, plumb the side of the frame and install 2.5-inch trim screws through the jamb and shims into the stud at each hinge location. Secure 2 2.5-inch long hinge screws through the open hole at the top and bottom hinge. Secure the Lockset jamb. Work from the Lockset side using a 4-foot level. Plumb and square the jamb and check weather strip margins for consistent contact to the door slab. Shim the latch side and secure with 2.5-inch trim screws. Make sure the gap between the frame and the door viewed from inside is consistent. Check for smooth operation by opening and closing the door. Using a screwdriver, you will need to adjust the center cap on the sill. Once adjusted, it should be snug and difficult to pull paper out from under the door when closed. Install your Lockset and deadbolt according to manufacturer specifications. Time to insulate. Score and snap any protruding shims so they're even with the jamb. Then install the exterior trim. Inside, using a conservative amount of door and window foam, fill the gap between the jamb and the stud. Once complete, you can install the interior trim. Now it's time to weatherproof. Caulk around the entire outside of the door, where the exterior trim meets the jamb and the exterior wall. Caulking is also required where the sill meets the jamb and the slab. Install wedge pads at the bottom of both sides of the frame. Finish the prime jamb with your choice of exterior paint or stain to complete the door.
And look at that, a beautifully installed exterior door. We hope this video provided you with some guidance so that you can go about your installation with confidence.